In this video, I'll guide you through how to use custom building blocks in Google Docs. By the end, you'll know how to quickly insert ready-made templates like meeting notes or trackers so you can save time and keep your documents consistent and organized. Let's start right at the beginning with opening Google Docs. On your computer, open your web browser and go to the Google Docs homepage. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in with your Google account. Once you're in, you can either open an existing document that you want to enhance with building blocks, or create a brand new one by choosing a blank document. It doesn't matter which option you pick for this walkthrough, the process will be exactly the same. With your document open, we're going to look for the menu bar at the top of the screen. This is the row that includes options like File, Edit, View, and so on. The option we care about here is called Insert. Click on Insert, and a long drop-down menu will appear. This menu is where you can add all kinds of elements to your document, such as images, tables, charts, and more. From this insert menu, move your cursor down until you find the option labeled Building Blocks. Go ahead and hover over or click on Building Blocks. When you do, you'll see a panel or submenu pop up with a variety of pre-made layouts and templates you can choose from. These are designed to help you structure common types of content without having to format everything from scratch. Among the options you'll see are things like meeting notes and trackers. Let's talk about what those actually do. If you select meeting notes, Google Docs will insert a structured template right into your document, usually with sections like meeting title, date, attendees, agenda, notes, and action items. This is especially handy if you take notes regularly and want to capture the same information in the same way every time. Once it's inserted, you can customize the text, delete any sections you don't need, and type directly into the placeholders. If you choose a tracker, you'll typically get a table-style layout that's ready for things like tasks, deadlines, statuses, or owners. This is perfect for simple project tracking, to-do lists, or follow-up actions. Just click into each cell and replace the sample text with your own information. You can extend the table by adding more rows or columns, or adjust the formatting to match your preferred style. A helpful tip here is to experiment with a few different building blocks to see which ones fit your workflow best. You're not locked into any layout you choose. You can always undo the insertion if it's not what you wanted, or modify it after it's in your document. The goal is to use these as a head start, so you're not repeatedly rebuilding the same structures from scratch. Once you've inserted a building block and customized it, you can continue typing around it just like any other part of your document. You might use a meeting notes block at the top of a page and then add regular paragraphs or additional tables below it. That's all there is to it. You open Google Docs, go to the insert menu, choose building blocks, and then pick a template like meeting notes or a tracker to drop right into your document. With just a few clicks, you'll have a clean, organized layout ready for your content.